How to pair Google Messages with a computer using QR code on your Android phone or Samsung phone. Now first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here we tap on Google Text Messages. Here we go back to the messages list. Then you tap on your profile icon at the top corner here. Then we go down and tap on device pairing. Then tap on switch to QR pairing, and then tap on QR code scanner. Then on your computer you want to go to this website, https://messages.google.com/web. Okay, so go to this web address, messages.google.com/web, and here we're going to pair it with the phone. And here you can see it said we use this icon, so because we do not want to use this pairing method, I'm going to cancel it. And then we tap on pair with QR code. Here it will show us the QR code here. And on our phone we're going to scan it. And now say device pairing. So you're all set. And say sign in with Google account to stay connected. So it's also saying that this QR code pairing is going away soon. So be prepared. It may not work in the future. We don't know how long, but it may not work in the future. And that's it. And that's how you can pair it with your device using QR code. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.